guys, welcome back to another chop video, and this week I'll be showing you how to make Caesar salad. Alright, so first off we're gonna get a head of romaine lettuce, and then we're gonna inspect it to see if any of the leaves are bad. So you can rip off the bad leaves, just discard it. So first off we're gonna cut lengthwise down in the middle. Then we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna cut in the middle again, just like that. And cut the edges, discard that. And then now we're just gonna give it another cut. So now we're just gonna cut it. As you can see, some small cuts. So we're gonna put these into a colander. Rinse the romaine lettuce under cold water, or wash it. So we're gonna allow this to drain for a couple minutes until all of the water is gone. Alright, so we're gonna put the romaine in a mixing bowl. Alright, so we're gonna add some Caesar dressing. So just add a little at a time and then mix it to the right consistency. So we're gonna use our hands to mix it. It all depends on how much dressing you like. I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. We're gonna slice some cherry tomatoes in half, just like that. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add finishing ingredients. So just add some of the cherry tomatoes all around. And then we're gonna finish off with some freshly baked croutons. Here you have it, guys. A beautiful Caesar salad. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, send it to a friend, let them subscribe too. Thanks for watching. I'm out.